Okay, guys. I ordered a bagel and I ordered a classic New York bagel this time. No cucumber and no goat cheese. Oh, I forgot I got this.
What
Brooklyn Brooklyn Best mango tea.
Oh, that actually sounds like it would be really good.
Yeah.
I've never seen that before.
It looked cute. I got a bacon, egg, and cheese bagel with American cheese and everything bagel and salt and pepper added because that sounded like something I should do.
I think that's like a really common thing here.
Mhm.
People get like salt, pepper. Some people get like jelly.
Interesting.
Yeah.
We got from Greenbird's Bagels. And guys, Kale didn't want a bagel because she wanted angel hair shrimp pasta for breakfast. So I'm not being selfish. She did already have breakfast. That looks so yummy. Does it?
No, it actually does. I hope it's good.
Me too.
Well, I know it's good. I hope you like that.
True.
I normally get the green goddess bagel from there though.
That's pretty good. Okay, well that's my review. We're going to brunch today with some of Kale's friends. Let me finish chewing, guys, seriously. Now we're gonna go to Central Park. We're gonna see the Brooklyn Bridge. I think that's it for like plans for the day. And then we're gonna go on the tram tonight and go to a rooftop bar. So big day, guys. And like every other day, I'm gonna be really bad at vlogging, so. We got another iced matcha and I got strawberry because I had to. I gotta mix it up. Okay, it's not mixing fully, but we're gonna try it. Oh no. I feel like I need to mix it. It's good, it's just not my favorite.
We also have coffee and lemonade inside.
Ooh,
guys.
yum.
You guys want to try that?
Oh wow.
Here we go. Not a spinner. He's getting
Oh wow.
the photo.
We should have spun the wheel. I will say it's good. The company in there was not great. There was a weirdo guy trying to tell his dog to bite her ankles. Okay, we're at brunch right now. It was literally so yummy. I got like a really puffy pancake. It was so good. Now we're gonna take the ferry over across and go to Dumbo and go to like a farmer's market, flea market kind of thing. And then we're going to Central Park. So it should be a very pretty afternoon.
Can we move forward? Bust down that door. Playing all my cards now, 'cause I've been waiting. But every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting. But every time
Okay, just finished brunch. Now we're going to get on the ferry and I'm very excited. But it's not free, guys. It's $4.50, so we're really poor now. The ferry is very cool. I was joking when I said I'm excited to see the Statue of Liberty. I didn't know we actually could.
I didn't either.
Guys, you can see the Statue of Liberty. Can you see it? Oh. We just got off the ferry. This is the Brooklyn Bridge. Oh, cool. And the Statue of Liberty's over there. You can't see it. And now we're gonna go to the Dumbo Market. This is seriously so pretty. It's crazy. was on a mission to find the perfect boots when I was in New York, and I thought these ones were gonna be perfect, so I tried them on at the flea market, and unfortunately they did not work.
Ooh, how do they fit? Oh, sorry. Ooh.
I feel like they're not gonna be comfy
Oh, no, really?
with the heel. Those
Yeah,
ones are so cute though.
They are.
We went to Dumbo Market, or Dumbo
Timeout Market.
Flea Market.
Oh, we went to the Brooklyn Flea Market.
There's offices?
Well, because Dumbo House is here, and it's like
Oh,
a co-working space and also
that's
like
what
a
you're talking
social
about.
club. Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, we came here to go piddle. now we're gonna go to Central Park because we have reservations at a really prestigious restaurant. They sell only the best materials. It's kind of like a health food place.
Yeah.
So I don't want to tell you guys because I don't really like sharing the names of really like underground places like this. So you guys are just gonna have to wait and see. But it's really good. I want to ride on a train over the woods.
Okay. Well, I don't know if that's gonna happen.
Okay, we made it. And we're getting a hot dog. Okay, here's our lunch. I got pretzel with cheese. We thought it was like cheese baked onto the pretzel, but it's just squirted cheese sauce, corn dog, and then chicken kebab with white sauce and barbecue. I don't know what white sauce is, but it's not bad. Let's try the kebab.
My bun is like really soggy.
Oh, really? Ready for dinner, and now we're taking the little tram thing to Roosevelt Island. Where are we going to dinner? We're doing a rooftop.
We're going to. Actually, no, I do. Panorama room.
Oh yeah.
I just can't say it.
And the moon looks fucking crazy, so hopefully we can see it, and I'll show you guys. It looks so good. I want to steal it. Okay, we made it to the other side, and we're also an hour early for our reservation.
I thought it was gonna take so much longer to get over here.
Same.
I don't know
So
why.
we're just gonna walk around and take some pictures. Michaela really wants to film a TikTok, so.
I don't.
Okay, just got off. Look how pretty this is. Obsessed. This is so pretty. Wow. This place was definitely interesting. The vibes here were a little off. I felt like they were trying so hard to be fancy, but like their tables were scratched. I don't know. It was weird vibes. But you guys, the food was insanely good. I wish the cocktails were better because the food was actually divine. But the view was amazing. Okay, we just finished dinner. It was good, but it felt like you were at a club. It did not feel like dinner. But the view was pretty. And now we're taking the tram back over because we're on Roosevelt Island. And then we're taking the subway home. We're waiting for the tram now, and Michaela saw a rat. So now I'm really scared it's gonna come after us because it literally is out to get me. Every rat is coming for me. Also, as we were walking up, the fucking tram left. So now we have to wait for the next one, which is 14 minutes. So at least we'll have a first pick of seats. And also, we're being lame and going back now because we're tired. And I have an early flight. But that is where we're going, guys. So my Uber was able to get to the airport really fast. So I'm literally here like 2.5 hours early, which sucks. And I did upgrade my flight to first class because it wasn't that much more, but they don't have a first class lounge in this terminal. So I kind of messed up, but that's okay.